Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my gel overlays on my natural nails. This process is super easy and super quick, so stick around and stay tuned. Okay, so here is my LED UV lamp, and then I also have a nail drill, but if you just have a regular nail file, that works as well. I just like the process to go faster, and yeah. So this is my nail drill, and I also got some alcohol so I can clean off my nails. So I'm gonna go about doing that first before I get started. Now that my nails are all nice and clean, I also decided I'm gonna change my drill bit really quickly, and I'm just switching it out for a softer grit nail file. So I'm just going to score the nail file a little bit just so I don't cut my cuticles. And I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna file off my old gel polish. Now this step you can either do, you can soak off, or you can just file it with a regular nail file. Either way is fine. This way is just faster for me. Now my nails are all clean and I'm just dusting them off with my little feather brush. Going in with a little alcohol once again and cleaning off my nails, making sure to clean off at the cuticles, and also, and most importantly, clean up under the nails as well. And that is what my nails are looking like, and they still have some of the gel overlay on them. So now this step is pretty important. I'm just going in and pushing back my cuticles. Okay, so this is like a little scraper tool. So this nail tool pushes back the cuticle and scrapes back the excess at the same time. And then I also go in for an extra step, and I like to go in with this scraper tool, and I like to go in and scrape off any excess cuticle that I see. Okay, and then last I go in with my cuticle cutter and I just get off the excess skin around the cuticle as well. If you are using this tool, be very careful so you don't cut yourself. Okay, so now I am all set. And I'm just going in with the nail file again, and I'm just going around the base of the cuticle once again and just filing that up just a little bit with some soft light touches, just to get off any of the gel or any lifting of any sort. Just going in and just filing that away, filing it down as thin as possible. I'm doing this to prevent lifting. And now I'm just going ahead and I'm shaping my nails up a little bit. And at the top too, I'm just going for a natural like square shape. Because they're my natural nails, I'm not really gonna go with any like fancy shape for this one. I'm just gonna leave them pretty just square rounded. I'm just gonna leave them square rounded because when you're working with natural nails, I find it a little harder to actually shape them. And this is just the most simple way possible. So this is what my nails are looking like. Nice and clean and ready for me to go in with the gel process. I'm just gonna clean off one more time with some alcohol. I want to make sure that I'm working on a clean canvas, and also you want to use the alcohol to get off any dirt and oils. Any leftover oils will also lead to lifting as well, so you want to make sure the nails are as dry as possible. And now I'm going in with my IBD bonder. I'm painting one really light coat on my nails, and then I will go in with a second coat. I do not cure these. I know the directions do say to cure them, and every nail video I've watched says to cure them, because I personally feel like that causes lifting when I cure them. When I don't cure it, I don't see lifting much at all. Alright, so now I'm going in with my builder gel. And I got this builder gel off of AliExpress. You can find some on Amazon too. I will leave links to both in the description box below. And I just paint one coat and I cure my nails. For a builder gel with this type of viscosity, I have to cure it for 90 seconds. So that is what I do. So I'm just gonna do this about 3 or 4 times, and I'm just gonna paint the builder gel on my nails just like a regular nail polish. And make sure you get the edges of your nail as well. And every so often I might just make sure I'm cleaning up the shape of my nails, and then going right back in with the builder gel, painting it on. Super simple. Make sure you get the edges and cure it for 90 seconds. Some builder gels can cure at 60 and 30 seconds. This one in particular cannot. But yes, this is a super easy way to grow out your natural nails if you are tired of getting acrylics and just want your natural nails to grow, but they're not really strong. Mine grow pretty strong, but whenever I hit them on something, it may crack or break and it sets me back. And now I have one shorter nail and the rest of my nails are long. It's super annoying. And my nails crack a lot, so this is a way that I can keep my nails nice and strong, and I don't have to worry if I hit them on anything. I don't have to worry about them breaking. So I really like this method. It's super simple. My nails grow super long when I do it this way, and I have way more control over my nails. And then I'm going to go over it with my nail drill really softly and just go around the cuticles and tap on the nail surface. Just a little bit, not too much. Making sure not to be too heavy-handed with it because I do not want to take off any of the gel that I just put on. And now I am just painting on some base coat. And I'm gonna go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. And then after I did the base coat, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my nail polish. I got this one from Rosalind. Also got this gel polish on AliExpress. Super cheap. I believe no more than $2. I will leave the link in the description box below to the gel polishes that I get off of AliExpress. They do take a while to get to you, but I would say about 2 weeks or so. I'm not really sure with the pandemic. I haven't really ordered any nail polish. I have so many that I don't really need anymore, but I will still leave the vendor that I use in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and order for yourselves. This is a very nice nail polish brand. It has really nice coverage, very nice thick viscosity of the gel polish. I really love it. And what I love most about gel polish is that you don't have to worry about the polish chipping too much, and it is super shiny and gives you a really nice shiny finish. I love gel polish. Okay, and now I'm going in with my no wipe top coat that I also got off of AliExpress. I'll leave the link to this one in the description box below as well for you guys. I do not remember the price of this one, but super inexpensive. Gel polish, if you buy them in store or pretty much anywhere else, can get pretty expensive. So definitely check out AliExpress. If I see any similar ones on Amazon, or if I see the specific brand on Amazon, I will put it in the description box below. I completely understand not wanting to wait 2 weeks or so for nail polish. You might want them in 2 days, so for that reason I will leave some Amazon links as well in the description box below for you guys. And this is what my nails are looking like. Okay, love this color. These are my natural nails. They are nice and strong, and yes, I love this. Super easy, super simple. You have a fresh set of salon quality nails that took no time at all to do. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys tried this out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!